Guys, so I saw this opportunity at the middle of night. This is 12:33 a.m. right here at my place, and I want to record a video on this. Last week I was very busy, so I didn't drop any video onto the channel, but we took some signals in the Telegram group as well, and we took some losses too. And this group, this particular signal right here, I made a selling opportunity based on my PDF guide that I used to trade. Okay, so it's been a long time I made a video on the PDF guide because the whole of the week, the previous week, I was very busy on that. Okay, so we have this right here. This is a divergence. You know, my PDF guide consists of all in divergence, so we have this divergence here. After that, we have this right here on indicator. We have this on the indicator right here. So this is the diversity of the market. So we enter based on our entry criteria, which is in the PDF guide. So our entry zone is right here, that I put this red line here, which has been broken and is now retesting. We move into profit for sometimes, and we are retesting. I'm recording this video for you to understand how powerful this my PDF trading strategy is. If you want to buy the PDF, the link is under the video description. So let's wait and see how this signal will go in our direction. Okay, so let's wait and see exactly what happened right here. Okay, guys, let's wait to see what happened. We are moving into profit. Okay, we are moving into profit. This is a pro firm account right here. This is a pro firm account that a 50k pro firm account that I'm trying to pass right here for one of my members. So if you want me to pass pro firm account for you, you can just go down to the video description, comment that I should pass your pro firm for you, or you go down to the comment section, comment you need help, and I will do well and contact you. Or you can join my Telegram channel. There you can send me direct message from there. This is a pro forma account from someone. It's a 50k account right here. Okay, so let's see how this trade will go in our direction. So let's wait. Guys, we keep holding this trade. Hopefully we see what happened right here. Okay, so I've given this signal in my VIP group too. This is my free group right here. I share signals here too. This is my VIP too. I used to share signals here too, so you can join any of them that you want. If you join the free channel, you can send me a message to join the VIP for quick signals and all that. And if you want to be in the free group too, it's up to you. So we're still holding this trade to see what happens. So let's go and come back again. Yo guys, so we started moving into profit within some minutes, and I'm feeling sleepy that I want to go off to bed, and I'll come back. Maybe before I come back, this signal may hit take profit, or it may hit SL, and I'll come back to update you guys on it. We are moving into massive profit right here. We started moving into profit right here. As you can see, the signal is in this group, VIP group right here. Okay, so if you want to join my VIP, that you will receive more signal than I do in my how do you call it, in my free group. You can join and then receive more signal than you receive in the free group. Okay, this is it. It's moving into massive profits right here. I have to go off to bed, guys. I'm feeling sleepy. Okay, so when I wake up, I will update you guys on this. Goodbye. So guys, I just wake up and I saw our TP1 has hit already, and we are moving to TP2 right here. So this is a very powerful strategy, as I told you guys. I have to move and do some things this early morning. I'm at work. I came to night shift, so I have to move and do something. So guys, I'll end the video here. I'll see you in my next video. I'll keep on updating in the Telegram channel, guys. So see you. Goodbye. So guys, my full TP hit on this trade right here. You can see my profit close right here. Okay, so this is a pro firm account. If you want me to pass your pro firm for you, just hit me in the Telegram channel. Join my free Telegram channel and send me message. Okay, so be waiting for free signal in my free group this morning. So waiting for more opportunities to show you guys. Goodbye.